Miss Freke's Whelping Forceps. Wrapped in cloth in a Gladstone bag, boiled in second-best saucepans, now here, laid out on velvet in this museum case. Delicate, slim-shanked, small angled loops to cup the head and ease it through. Mr. Hobday's at the front, the pioneer with his rigid rings of steel to clamp the fetal skull. Maclean with longer shafts for deeper access. Elliot with thicker loops for crushing action. How they laboured, these men, with their unforgiving fists of metal. But in the feral hours where instinct loosens itself from shadows, it's Miss Freaks we reach for, to coax the unborn, to crown the light.